Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't guessed from the thumbnail, the character that we're going to look at is X-Men Dark Phoenix. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Rock Candy X-Men from Funko, featuring a vinyl collectible of our character X-Men Dark Phoenix. So we got this from the collector core box that we unboxed way back. Okay, but we just got an opportunity now to open Jean Grey, possessed by the Dark Phoenix. Okay, so you can see some pictures here. On the side is just the label Dark Phoenix. On the other side, you see the Phoenix symbol, the headshot, and the Marvel logo. And at the back, you see the entire figure itself. Okay, so everyone knows who Dark Phoenix Jean Grey is. So one of our beloved telepaths from the X-Men, the most powerful. Okay, so we're going to look at her in rock candy form. I don't collect a lot of this. I do have bombshell rock candies, DC bombshell rock candies, but for X-Men, I don't particularly plan to get all of them. Okay, so I just so happen that I have this. I might actually just open it for our unboxing and then display it for a while and then put it back in box for sale or trade. Okay, so not a huge fan of Marvel rock candy. Okay, I say that because if I start, I will collect everything, and I don't want that to happen because of the lack of shelf space. Anyway, there's no harm to get one, right? So it comes with a base, with a peg. Okay, always a good thing, so we can stand her. Okay, oops. Let's see, a bit hard to stand her. There you go. So she has crossed legs, golden red, and you can see the fire effects here. That's very typical of Dark Phoenix. It doesn't glow in the dark. Okay, I know some of the Funko products have an edition that glows in the dark. This one does not seem to do so. And it's a bubble head, so the head bubbles. Okay, so you can see the neck and the spring that makes it happen. At the back, you see the hairstyle is also fiercely fiery, reflective of her, I guess, powers and state of mind. So this is the possessed Jean Grey of the Dark Phoenix Force. Okay, so I wanted to show, as this is a Pinoy Heroclix channel as well, some of our Phoenix Force figures. We're not gonna take them out of the display case, but you can clearly see the Phoenix 5 here, and we have Phoenix White Phoenix Hope, okay, and the original Phoenix herself, Jean Grey. Okay, we can probably take a look at this figure. Okay, a thing of beauty indeed. Okay, so I love my share of orange flames, and this will be a good display piece, but as I said, I'll probably end up parting ways with this. Okay, so what do you guys think? I don't particularly like that there's no eyes, but again, that's the possessed look. So until the next video, bye bye. Bubble 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 bubble.